Hello everyone! Andito kami ngayon sa Discovery Primea Makati. Here we booked a one-bedroom unit. Pagpasok sa room, ang unang makita ay ang dining area. It is a square table that would accommodate 4 people. And I really love kung gaano kakumpleto yung appliances nila such as stove, microwave, toaster, at laundry machine. Super laki rin ng living room nila that consists of a huge couch and a computer desk. A sliding door between the living room and the bedroom, meron din makita dito. The bed is also pretty big and the room also comes with a TV. Attached to the bedroom is an ensuite toilet and bath na may his-inner sink, shower, toilet, and one of the interesting features that make this hotel unique, ang bathtub na may kasamang TV. Overall, this room gives a really relaxing vibe. Sobrang spacious niya, super relaxing tignan, and especially dahil malaki, pwede ka magpapunta ng bisita. Here we are ending our day with a swim sa heated pool. Kaya sa mga mabilis ginawin dyan, good news to para sa inyo. Super nag-enjoy kami sa stay dito sa Discovery Primea Makati. Definitely a hotel na babalik-balikan namin. If you've ever been to Discovery Primea Makati, you may leave or share your experience down below.